Google is planning to completely ditch the conventional back button, to opt for gesture-based navigation system completely. As per the early build of Android Q, obtained by the publication, swiping left on the screen will enable users to go back. Another change to Android Q is swifter transition animations. Earlier, swiping to the right took users to the Recents tab. However, swiping right would take users from their current app to the previous app in a card-like transition. Users can continue swiping right till they reach the last app that they opened. Notably, Android Q, apart from getting smoother gesture navigations, is also likely to get a system-wide dark mode. The new settings would restrict apps from accessing the location of the device when not in use. Additionally, Google is changing its permissions page that would make it easier for the users to determine what all permissions are being used by specific apps.